Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Soulmask game. So here follow the fixes. Solution 1 is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Soulmask game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, but you have to right click on Soulmask game and then select properties. Go to the controller tab and here select disable Steam input first and then just restart the game because changing requires the restart of the game, and after restarting the game check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the Soulmask game properties, go to controller tab and here select enable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in Soulmask or not. Solution 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other software on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripheral such as phone, camera, USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Solution 4 is to check if controller is properly connected or not. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you are using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. And if you are using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Solution 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the last solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So simply restart your Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC and then relaunch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working problem in Soulmask game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.